Hey traders and investors, it's Miami Option with your stock market recap for Monday, February 22nd, 2021. It's been a while since I put out some content. I've been very busy the last 2 to 3 weeks with work, but I'm back and looking to put a lot more content out here and into YouTube. The market has been um, high flying, and there's been a lot of noise in the market as well with after elections, pot stocks, GME, a whole lot of noise. When you're in this market, you have to focus whether you're on it for the long term or you're a day trader. You need to focus on what you do best, not what other people do, what you're doing. And what's your focus? If your focus is a day trader, you need to focus on the stocks that's going to give you the greater move to the upside if you're buying on a long side, or if you're buying on a short side and you're shorting the stock and it's going to give you a huge gain um, while you're shorting the stock. And a lot of times you don't want to look for volume indicators, a lot of volume going into a particular stock if you're trading it, especially if you're day trading. But if you're going on long term, focus on quality stocks. If you don't, you'll get hurt in the long run. So the stocks that are moving that I see that had the greatest move today. I saw a lot of CL. Let's see this. Had a huge pop during the early morning hours, but afterwards it just been a nothing. Hasn't really produced what I would think. Even though it had a lot of volume, the volume was during the pre trading hours between 7 a.m. to before 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. Like I always mention to you guys, if you're going to trade anything, 10 to 20% profit is optimal if you're going to do it. Because if you try to be greedy in this market, you will get hurt. And also, GVO had been for a while has been moving in the upside. Now today is because the market is pulling back as well. GVO has been a real high flyer for the past 4 months. Has been a high flyer, just kept on higher and higher and higher. But it's also a penny stock. Would I put this into my long-term portfolio? No, I wouldn't. Stocks like let me mention stocks like BAB, BAB, Alibaba that hasn't really moved in the market all past 2020, 2020, 21. Alibaba has not moved at all. Look at it. From 2020, a little small move compared to stocks like Tesla. Look how much it has moved since 2020 and 2019. Significant move. And the valuation for Alibaba is huge. This doesn't even price in the earnings potential for years to come. Hasn't. No, this is a quality stock. And if I were to going to put anything in my portfolio, I'll put Alibaba. They have a whole lot of companies, and the valuation for this company is so low, especially with concerning the price. And looking at anything option wise, if you bought any Royal Caribbean options before on Monday and coming into today, you really did well. Just looking at this options here, let's look at it. Let's look at it. Look at it for today. Huge. If you bought at $1.70 or $1.80, and today You just rang the register. I mean, $4, 40%. But I'm looking at when I trade, 10 to 20% is good. You know, anything above that is a blessing. 10 to 20%. Now I want to focus more on stocks trading more than option. Moving forward. Um, I'm gonna say this again. Moving forward, I want to concentrate more on trading stocks than options. All right, you guys. This is Miami Options signing out. Hope to see you guys tomorrow. And once again, this is only for educational purposes, not educate. I'm not investing advice. See you guys tomorrow.